Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a WhatsApp status using Canva for free. So let's get started. Open the Chrome browser, maximize it. Now choose a profile. Now in the URL box you have to search canva.com, or you can use the Google search to find the Canva website. After opening the Canva website, you have to register with an account. For making a free account, use your Gmail account and log in on the Canva website. It will look like this. You have to log in on the Canva website. Okay. From now on, you have to click on create a design option, as you can see in the top here. Click on it. Now here you have to search WhatsApp. Now you can see here we got the WhatsApp status, so click on WhatsApp status. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you 100 types of templates for suggestion. For example, I want to create a WhatsApp status for birthday, so I will search birthday. Now as you can see here, it's just to be different type of templates, so I will click on this. Now to make changes here, you can change the photo. Go here and click on right click on it and click on delete. As you can see here, the photo is removed. Now to upload your own friend's birthday pic, you to click on uploads and upload your friend picture as well as who got the you want to make the WhatsApp status. Then you can also change the text by double clicking on it. You can change the text by here, and you can change the font here. You can also change the size of the text by minimizing as well as maximizing it. As you can see here, I am minimizing my happy birthday text in the WhatsApp status. You can also change the color of the text by, I will show you. So you have to do is go to here, and for example I want to make it red color. Click on red and check it out, as you can see here. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create a WhatsApp status for a particular need. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. You can also add the size, then click on download.